Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming the exact Apple ID and device you used for the purchase. This is crucial because purchases tie to an account. Once signed in, open the App Store and tap your profile icon to surface purchase history. Make sure the app isn't hidden. Check purchased or subscriptions to verify ownership. If you purchased via family sharing, confirm the family organizer's account. Doing this first prevents wasted steps and ensures the restore process can recognize your entitlement immediately. Now proceed to the actual restore. Open the app and find a Restore Purchases button. This triggers the app's verification with Apple's servers. If the app lacks that control, return to the App Store. Tap your profile, go to Purchased, and re-download the app to refresh receipts. For subscriptions, use subscriptions in your profile to re-enable access. Once done, the app should reconcile content and unlock features. If it prompts, confirm your Apple ID password or use Face ID to complete verification. Finish by force closing and reopening the app so it rereads restored receipts. This often completes unlocking. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or uninstall and reinstall the app to force a fresh receipt exchange. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection and check for OS updates. If problems persist, contact the app developer with your purchase receipt and Apple ID. They can often push a manual restore or identify account issues, saving you time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.